Hello, dear students. This is Dr. Pradeep Devhate, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sri RLT College of Science, Akola. In this lecture, I am going to talk on the next part related to the optical isomerism, that is, absolute configuration. Let us start the talk on absolute configuration. The self-consistent configuration of enantiomers or asymmetric carbon without any reference or correlation to the standard or known compound is called as absolute configuration. We may call that as exact spatial arrangement of four different atoms or groups around a symmetric carbon atom. Absolute configuration. It is the self-consistent configuration of enantiomers without any reference or correlation to the standard or known compound. We may call that as exact spatial arrangement of four different atoms or groups around a symmetric carbon atom. To specify the absolute configuration at asymmetric carbon atom, the method used is R and S system of configuration. The scientist Can, Ingold and Prelog have proposed this RS system of configuration. Here R means rectus, that is right-handed or clockwise, and S means sinister, that is left-handed or anti-clockwise. R stands for the right-handed or clockwise rotation, whereas S stands for the left-handed or anti-clockwise rotation. In this RS system, configuration of an enantiomer is decided on the basis of certain rules. Let us study these rules. The first one is identify the asymmetric carbon atom, that is cis star, and four different atoms or groups attached to that asymmetric carbon atom. Second, assign priority to four different atoms or groups, that is first priority, second priority, third priority and fourth priority. Third rule is that arrange four different atoms or groups about asymmetric carbon atom, keeping lowest priority group or the fourth priority atom or group at the bottom. We may keep this fourth priority group or the atom at the top also, but generally practice to place it at bottom. And then after the last rule, the last one is view the molecule from side opposite to the lowest priority, that is fourth priority atom or group. Now, while viewing the molecule, if priority of atoms or groups, that is first, second, third priority, decreases in clockwise direction, then it is R isomer. Whereas if priority of atoms or groups, that is first, second or third priority, decreases in anticlockwise direction, then it is called as S isomer. If decrease in priority of groups in clockwise direction, then it is called as the R isomer, and if that decrease in priority of groups in anticlockwise direction, then it is nothing but the S isomer. Just remember, in Fischer projection formula, it is necessary to carry out even number of exchanges of pair of atoms or groups. so as to bring the lowest or fourth priority atom or group at the bottom. In feature projection formula, it is always necessary to carry out even number of exchanges of pair of atoms or groups so as to bring the lowest or fourth priority atom or group at the bottom. See the representation given here. Central C atom has 4 different groups attached to it. These groups are A, B, C and D. Consider A as first priority group, B as second, C the third and D as fourth or last priority group. Now we have to bring the lowest priority group, that is D, at the bottom. And for that we have to carry out even number of exchanges of pair of groups, that is 2, 4 or the 6 exchanges. Here position of group C is exchanged with group D, and so group D comes to the bottom position, but as we have to perform even number of exchanges, position of group A is always exchanged with group B. The new representation has now lowest priority group is at the bottom, and now if we viewed the molecule from side opposite to the lowest priority group, priority of groups, that is A, B, C, decreases in clockwise direction. First priority, then second priority, then third priority. It means it is R isomer. As in RS configuration, we have to assign the priority to atoms or groups, that is first priority, second priority, third priority and fourth. It is essential to have an idea about the priority or sequence rules. The first priority rule, or we can say the first sequence rule, is the group containing key atom of higher atomic number has higher priority. The group containing key atom of higher atomic number has higher priority. Here key atom means atom which is directly attached to a symmetric carbon, that is C star. Consider 4 different groups like Br, Cl, C and H, that is bromine, chlorine, carbon and hydrogen. Br has atomic number 35, Cl has 17, carbon has 6 and hydrogen has atomic number 1. Now according to atomic numbers, Br has first priority, chlorine has second, carbon has third and hydrogen has fourth or last priority, or we can say the lowest priority. The second rule is isotopes of higher atomic mass number has higher priority. Isotopes of higher atomic mass number has higher priority. 1H2 has higher priority than 1H1. Hydrogen having the atomic mass number 2 has higher priority than the hydrogen having the atomic mass number 1. That is, deuterium has higher priority than the hydrogen. Similarly, 17Cl37 has higher priority than 17Cl35. Chlorine having the mass number 37 has higher priority than chlorine having the mass number 35. Because here atomic numbers are same but mass numbers are different. Higher mass number has always higher priority. This is the second rule. Isotopes of higher atomic mass number has higher priority. Next rule. If key atoms have same atomic numbers, then the key atom having more attachments of higher atomic number has higher priority. If key atoms have same atomic numbers, then the key atom having more attachments of higher atomic number atoms has higher priority. Consider ethyl and methyl groups. Ethyl group has higher priority than methyl group because in ethyl group, key atom, that is carbon, has attachments CHH with atomic numbers 12, 1, 1. Whereas in methyl group, key atom, that is carbon, has attachments HHH with atomic number 1, 1, 1. If key atoms have same atomic numbers and their attachments are also the same, then the key atom having next or second attachments of higher atomic number atoms has higher priority. I am repeating, if the key atoms have same atomic numbers and their attachments are also the same, then the key atom having next or second attachments of higher atomic number atoms has higher priority. Consider bromoethyl and chloroethyl groups. Bromoethyl group has higher priority than chloroethyl group. Here, for both the groups, attachments of key atoms, that is carbon, are same, which are carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen. And hence, we have to consider its next attachments. For bromoethyl group, next attachments are hydrogen, hydrogen, bromine with atomic numbers 1, 1 and 35. Whereas for chloroethyl group, next attachments are hydrogen, hydrogen, chlorine with atomic numbers 1, 1 and 17. Bromine has higher atomic number than chlorine and hence bromoethyl group has higher priority than chloroethyl group. Here bromoethyl group has higher priority than chloroethyl group. It is because of the higher atomic number of a bromine as compared to the chlorine. Next, and the fourth rule is multiple bonded atom is equivalent to multiple number of attachments of atom by single bond. Multiple bonded atom is equivalent to multiple number of attachments of atom by single bond. See the examples. CH double bond CH2. Here, for first carbon or key carbon, we have to consider attachments as CCH because second carbon is doubly bonded to first, that is the key carbon. Next, CH double bond O. Here, for key carbon, we have to consider attachments as OOH, that is oxygen, oxygen, hydrogen, because oxygen is doubly bonded to the key carbon. In case of C triple bond CH, for first carbon or key carbon, The attachments are carbon, carbon, carbon. Here, second carbon is triply bonded to the first key carbon. Whereas in C triple bond N, for key carbon, the attachments are N and N, that is nitrogen, 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 because here nitrogen is triply bonded to the key carbon. In next example, that is in benzene ring, key carbon has the attachments CCC, that is carbon, carbon, carbon. Here one ring carbon is singly bonded to the key carbon, whereas other ring carbon is doubly bonded to the key carbon, and that's why the attachments are CCC. Here we have to remember that 2 or 3 atoms attach actually to another atom has higher priority than that of doubly or triply bonded atoms. 2 or 3 atoms attached actually to another atom has higher priority than that of doubly or triply bonded atoms. Consider the example CH, CH2, CH3 by 2. It has higher priority than CH double bond CH2. Here, for both groups, attachments of key carbon are same, that is carbon, carbon, hydrogen. But in first, carbons of ethyl groups are actually attached to key carbon, whereas in CH double bond CH2, carbon of CH2 group is doubly bonded to key carbon, and hence the group CH, CH2, CH3 by 2 has higher priority than the group CH double bond CH2. The last priority rule, the last sequence rule is the group having maximum number of carbon atoms has higher priority. The group having maximum number of carbon atoms has higher priority. See the example. CH2, 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 CH3. It has higher priority than CH2, CH3 because butyl group has more carbons than the ethyl group. The group having maximum number of carbon atoms has higher priority. Hence, the butyl group, as it is having the 4 carbons, has more priority as compared to the ethyl group. Using all these rules, we may assign the R or S configuration to different molecules. Let us study the R and S configuration of some compounds. First one is lactic acid, having the formula CH3CHOH COOH. Here, 4 different groups attached to central asymmetric carbon are CH3, H, OH and COH. The key atoms of these groups are carbon, hydrogen, then for OH the key atom is oxygen, and for COH group the key atom is carbon. Now the atomic numbers of key atoms. These are 6 for carbon, 1 for hydrogen, 8 for oxygen, and again 6 for carbon. Here key atom oxygen of OH group has highest atomic number, that is 8. So OH group has first priority, whereas hydrogen has lowest atomic number, that is 1, so hydrogen has fourth priority. Now group CH3 and COH both has same key atom, that is carbon. It is having the atomic number 8. Now as the key atom is same for both the groups, here we have to see its attachments. Attachments of group CH3 are H, H, H with atomic number 1, 1, 1, and of group COH are O, O, O with atomic numbers 8, 8, 8. Here attachments are oxygen, 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 because in COH one oxygen is singly bonded to the carbon, key carbon, and other oxygen is doubly bonded to the key carbon. Now, as the attachments of group COH are of higher atomic numbers than group CH3, COH group has higher priority than CH3 group. Group COH has second priority, whereas group CH3 has third priority. So, the overall order of priority is first OH, second COOH, third CH3, and fourth or the last priority, that is to the hydrogen. Now see the first structure of lactic acid. In first structure, lowest priority group hydrogen is at the bottom, and now if we observe the molecule, if we view the molecule from side opposite to the lowest priority group, priority of other groups decreases in clockwise direction, and hence it is R isomer, or we can say it is the R lactic acid. In second structure, lowest priority group is again at the bottom, and on viewing the molecule from side opposite to the hydrogen, priority of other groups decrease in anti-clockwise direction, and so it is S isomer, that is S lactic acid. Priority decreases in clockwise direction, R isomer. Priority decreases in anti-clockwise direction, it is the S isomer. To assign the priority, it is essential to view the molecule from side opposite to the lowest priority group. It is essential to view the molecule from side opposite to the lowest priority group. Next example is of bromomethoxy acetic acid. Its molecular formula is BrCHOCH3COOH. Four different groups present are Br, H, OCH3 and COH. Key atoms of these groups are, first one is Br, second hydrogen. Key atom of group OCH3 is oxygen, and key atom of group COOH is carbon. Atomic numbers of these key atoms are Br 35, hydrogen 1, OCH3, that is the oxygen 8, and for carbon it is 6. Here key atoms of all groups has different atomic number, so there is no need to see the attachments of key atom. Now according to atomic numbers of key atoms of groups, first priority is to bromine, second to OCH3, third to COH group, and last or fourth priority is to the hydrogen. See the structures of bromomethoxyacetic acid. Here, lowest priority group, hydrogen, is at the bottom, and priority of other groups decreases in clockwise direction in first structure, whereas priority of groups decreases in anticlockwise direction in second structure. So, first one is R isomer, where priority of group decreases in clockwise direction, whereas second one is the S isomer, where priority of groups decreases in anticlockwise direction. Next is glyceraldehyde. Molecular formula CH2OH, CHOH, CHO. Four different groups present are CH2OH, H, OH and CHO. Its key atoms are, for CH2OH, key atom is carbon, then hydrogen. For OH group, key atom is oxygen, and for CHO group, again key atom is carbon. Atomic numbers of these key atoms are 6, 1, 8, and for carbon it is 6. Here, oxygen has highest atomic number, that is 8, and it is the key atom of a hydroxyl group, and hence OH group has first priority. Hydrogen has lowest atomic number, that is 1, hence it has fourth priority. The groups CH2OH and CHO has same key atoms, so we have to consider its attachments. Attachment for group CH2OH are hydrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, and for CHO these are hydrogen, oxygen, oxygen. In CHO, oxygen is doubly bonded to key carbon, and hence we have to consider two attachments of oxygen separately. Now, as the attachments of group CHO are of higher atomic numbers than CH2OH group, CHO group has second priority, whereas CH2OH group has third priority. So, the order of priority is first OH, second CHO, third CH2OH, and fourth, that is to the hydrogen. See the structure of glyceraldehyde. In both the structures, lowest priority hydrogen is at bottom, and priority of other groups decreases in clockwise direction in first structure, whereas priority of other groups decreases in anticlockwise direction in second structure. So the first is R-glyceraldehyde, because here priority of groups decreases in clockwise direction, whereas second structure is of S-glyceraldehyde, where priority of other groups decreases in anticlockwise direction. Now take the example of 1,1-chloro-bromoethane, or we can say 1-chloro-1-bromoethane. Molecular formula is Cl CHBr CH3. Four different groups attached to a symmetric carbon are chlorine, hydrogen, bromine, and CH3. Key atoms are again chlorine, hydrogen, bromine, and for CH3 the key atom is carbon. Their atomic numbers are, for chlorine it is 17, for hydrogen 1, bromine 35, and for carbon it is 6. Key atoms of all groups has different atomic numbers, so no need to see the attachments. Here order of priority is first Br, second Cl, third carbon, and fourth hydrogen. See the structures. Lowest priority group hydrogen is at the bottom position. Now view the molecule from side opposite to the hydrogen. There is decrease in priority of groups in clockwise direction in first structure, while decrease in priority of groups in anti-clockwise direction in second structure. So first is R isomer, while the second is S isomer. In R isomer, priority of other groups decreases in clockwise direction, and in S isomer, priority of other groups decreases in anti-clockwise direction. Next one, tartaric acid. Molecular formula COOH, CHOH, CHOH, COOH. Here two asymmetric carbons are present, and both asymmetric carbons has 4 different groups attached to that, and these are COOH, then H, OH, and lastly CHOH, COOH. Here key atoms for these groups are, for COOH it is carbon, then hydrogen. For OH group key atom is oxygen, and for the last group, that is CHOH, COH, again the key atom is carbon. Atomic numbers of key atoms are, for carbon it is 6, then for hydrogen 1, for oxygen it is 8, and again for carbon it is 6. OH, highest atomic number, first priority. H, lowest atomic number, fourth priority. See the attachments of key carbon in COOH and CHOH groups. For COH groups, attachments are oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Here one oxygen is singly bonded, whereas other oxygen is doubly bonded to the key carbon, and hence the attachments are oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. For CHOH, COH group, the attachments are hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. If we observe these attachments of COH group are of higher atomic numbers than CHOH, COH group. Hence, COH group has second priority, while CHOH, COH group has third priority. See the structures. First one is R-tartaric acid, whereas second is of a S-tartaric acid. In first, priority of other groups decreases in clockwise direction, whereas in second, priority of other groups decreases in anti-clockwise direction. In both, lowest priority group, that is hydrogen, is at the bottom position. Next example, glyceric acid. It has molecular formula CH2OH, CHOH, COH. Groups are CH2OH, hydrogen, OH, and COOH. Key atoms: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. Atomic numbers of key atoms: 6, 1, 8 and 6. Now the attachments of key atoms of groups having similar atomic numbers. That is for the carbon. For CH2OH group, the key atom has attachments hydrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, whereas in COH group, the key atom carbon has attachments oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Priority order: OH first, COOH second, CH2OH third, and hydrogen fourth priority. In first structure, priority of other groups decreases in clockwise direction and hence it is R-glyceric acid. Whereas in second structure, priority of groups decreases in anticlockwise direction and so it is S-glyceric acid. Now, how to assign R and S configuration to Fischer projection formula of compounds? How to assign the R and S configuration to Fischer projections of compounds? See the first Fischer projection formula. 4 different groups attach R: OH, CH2CH3, CH3 and hydrogen. OH first priority, CH2CH3 second, CH3 third and hydrogen fourth priority. Here we have to bring the lowest priority hydrogen at the bottom position. So we have to carry the even number of exchanges between the groups. That is 2, 4, 6 exchanges. Here first I exchange hydrogen and CH2CH3 groups to bring hydrogen at bottom, and then I exchange CH3 and OH groups. Now see the structures which are obtained after second exchange of group. In this structure, lowest priority group hydrogen is at bottom position and priority of other groups decreases in clockwise direction. It means this compound is the R isomer. Priority of other groups decreases in a clockwise direction. Now consider the second example. Here, order of priority of 4 different groups attached to a symmetric carbon is first OH, second COOH, third CH2OH and fourth hydrogen. Now perform 2 exchanges between any pairs of groups so as to bring the lowest priority group hydrogen at the bottom position. And now see the last structure which obtained after second exchange of groups. In this last structure, again the lowest priority group is at the bottom and the priority of other groups decreases in clockwise direction. It means it is again the isomer. This Fischer projection formula is having the R configuration. Take next example. Here, order of priority of groups attached to a symmetric carbon is first OH, second COOH, third CH3 and fourth hydrogen. Now carry out even number of exchanges, that is two exchanges between any pair of groups and bring the lowest priority group hydrogen at bottom position. Here I exchange H and COH and then CH3 and OH groups. Now here in the structure obtained after second exchange of groups, hydrogen is at the bottom position and priority of other groups decreases in anti-clockwise direction. So we can say it is the S isomer. Next example. Order of priority of groups attached to the asymmetric carbon is first OH, second CHO, then CH2OH, and last that is the hydrogen. Here, after carrying the two exchanges between pairs of groups, the last structure obtained has decrease in priority of groups is in a anti-clockwise direction. So again it is the S isomer. Just see the last structure. Here decrease in priority of groups is in a anti-clockwise direction. It is the S isomer. In this way, we have to assign R and S configuration. Please remember to bring the lowest priority group at bottom position. It is always essential to carry the even number of exchanges between pair of groups attached to the asymmetric carbon. To bring the lowest priority group at bottom position, it is always essential to carry the even number of exchanges between pairs of groups attached to the asymmetric carbon. Dear students, for other points related to the optical isomerism, please watch my next video lecture. Stay safe at home. Thank you.